The Yuma wetlands is a model for riparian habitat restoration here in the desert Southwest because so many people didn't think it could happen.
The Colorado River has long been named the most endangered river in the U.S. While use of the river water has allowed the Southwest to support millions of people as well as a robust agricultural industry, an estimated 90% of historic wetlands along the river have been destroyed.
Before the restoration project began, most people would avoid this area. People would illegally dump, litter, garbage, construction waste. So it was really a mess.
That's all changed. This area is now thriving, and the restoration has created a flourishing riparian habitat, even welcoming new species.
We use science to confirm that the habitat is doing what it's designed to do, and that is to attract the birds, the bugs, the beasts back to the river and to this area. Some of the endangered species are even making their way back, such as the yellow-billed cuckoo.
Partnering with the Yuma Crossing National Heritage Area has helped reestablish connections to the Colorado that are both spiritual and recreational.
We've worked hard to reestablish physical connections to the river that allow people of the region and visitors to come back to the river and enjoy it for recreational purposes, bird watching, paddle boarding, cross-country, high school track meets run through the area. And for the tribe, the members of the Quechan tribe, we too have a strong interest in connecting with the river.
Natural resources like cottonwood, mesquite, and willow are once again available to tribal artists and for cultural production.
As I journey through this space from time to time, I can't help but feel uplifted. Around every bend, there's another little discovery, You might be surprised by, a bird coming out of a tree, or amazed by the blooming wildflowers that welcome you as you come around the bend.
So far, 380 acres have been completed, with the potential for 1,200 more.
Through all of its hard work, what at the end of the day we're doing is providing people with ways to feel great about this restored environment.